to today's edition of Pegasus Test. On today's edition, we're going to talk about pop flare deployment. When you're training, you're usually restricted on how you can use your pyro, and yet many of your plans are dictated on the use of said pyro. Many times ambushes will be initiated by the use of pop flares. Enemy attacks will be countered by the use of pop flare to expose the enemy so you can engage him. However, in your training exercise, you're not allowed to use your flare, for example, because, there might be fire restrictions, the woods are too dry, we can't risk a fire, or, in this exercise, flares are for real world use only. Whatever they come up with, it's always an imaginative excuse. But the thing is, you can do a lot of exercises where you're supposed to deploy flares, and yet you never actually get to deploy the flares. So when you get overseas or you get into a situation where you can use flares unrestricted, what have you done? What have you trained with them? They're just handed to you and goes, I'll use these to do whatever. While we were at One Shepherd, Brent 0331 gave an impromptu class on the proper use of handheld flares.
Yeah, you unscrew, and then there's a pull tab, and then you hold it out in front of you, away from your face, not oriented at your face. All right, none of that. Just at a slight angle, like I was about like this, oriented towards you guys. You guys were coming my direction, pulled it, went up in the air, and then it fell right on top of y'all. All right, just make sure you're not too far.
Yeah, low.
Low, it's more up. All right, think mortar round. All right, think like a mortar. But you gotta also point at the direction of the enemy, and then have a slight angle. Okay, if you want that sucker to be right on top of them, so that it illuminates their position.
And there you have it, the proper use of how to launch a handheld flare. More training than you'll ever get in the real world on it. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and tune in for future videos on pyro deployment.